Wait, did you know you can basically use your Revolut points to help pay for your Ryanair flights? And the best part, you don't need a Ryanair gift card code. I recently discovered this through Revolut's RevPoints, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I use it step by step because honestly, I wish I knew this earlier. And just to be clear, before we start, this is not a paid or sponsored video. So I'm just sharing my personal experience and showing you something I found very useful. So if you're always booking flights like me and you're already using Revoluts anyway, stay with me because you might be leaving a free rewards on the table. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Mary. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So in today's video, we're talking about something I really like about the Revolut and the Rev Points. So if you're already spending money using your Revolut card, you can earn Rev Points from eligible everyday purchases. So for my Revolut Premium plan in Ireland, the current rate is 1 Rev point for every €4 spent on everyday purchases. Although the earning rate depends on your plan and the eligible transactions. So basically, you're spending money that you are probably going to spend anyway, and you're accumulating points along the way. And eventually, you can use those points for things like airline miles, stays and experiences, gift cards. And today, I'm going to show you the gift card options that I use for my Ryanair flight. Step 1. Okay, let's do this together. Open your Revolut app. So at the bottom, you're going to see Rev Points. Tap that, and this is where you can see how many points you've accumulated. Now, don't get too excited if you see a huge number, because then you've realized you've been spending money to earn them. Now, step number 2, go to the gift cards. So from here, tap the gift cards. You'll see different brands available. And for this video, we're going to look for Ryanair and tap Ryanair. Now, this is where you can see the different gift cards amounts available based on the number of Rev points you have. So the more points you've accumulated, the higher the gift card value you may be able to redeem. Now, here's the part that confused me at first. I thought, okay, where's my Ryanair gift card number? Because normally when you buy a gift card, you get a code, right? But this one is different. Mine actually says ready to use, and it says it will be automatically applied to my next purchase. So there is no gift card number to copy. Don't panic like I did. This is an auto applied gift card. Revolut says that for these gift cards, you simply pay the eligible merchant using your personal Revolut card, and the gift card amount is automatically reimbursed to your Revolut account. So you don't go to Ryanair and enter some mysterious code that doesn't exist. Step 4, book your Ryanair flight. Now let's go to the Ryanair app, choose your destination, choose your dates, your flights, and whatever you need, baggage, seats, priority, or whatever you're buying. And then go through the payment process normally. So here's the important part. Pay using your Revolut card. Don't use another bank card, just to make sure that you're only using your Revolut card. So you want the eligible purchase to be made with your Revolut card because that's how the auto applied gift card works. So let's say my Ryanair flight cost €55 and I've already redeemed a €50 Ryanair auto applied gift card using my Rev points. So I don't need to enter the €50 anywhere. I simply pay the full €55 using my Revolut card. And this is important. Make sure you have at least €55 available in your personal Revolut balance when you make the flight purchase, because you need to be able to pay the full amount upfront. So once the payment goes through, Revolut detects the eligible Ryanair purchase, then the €50 gift card amount is automatically reimbursed back into my Revolut account. And that's basically how I use my Revolut Rev points to help pay for my Ryanair flight. I really wanted to share this because if you're already using your Revolut and you're already accumulating Rev points from your everyday spending, go check what you have. You might have enough points sitting there that you didn't realize you could use for something like this. And again, This isn't sponsored. I'm just sharing something I've personally found useful, especially because I travel quite often. So if you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Have you ever used your Rev points for a flight or a gift card? And if you haven't, well, maybe it's time to check those points. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Safe travels and enjoy your flights. And I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!